Rain or Shine continues to get on their winning ways with a victory over Meralco. Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Yeng Guiao, and our best player of the game, Gabe Norwood. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Yeng, it seemed like everything was bleak for Rain or Shine as there was an apparent lack of big men in the rotation. What for you was the game-changing revelation that helped Rain or Shine offset being undersized today?
Ano lang, we just tried to play to our strong suit, which is playing with a lot of pace. We wanted to get out and just attack, keep attacking the defense of Meralco. Alam namin maliliit kami, so ang talagang advantage namin is really our quickness and our speed. And we don't have our bigs. Kaylan couldn't play, Keith couldn't play, Bo couldn't play. Of course, we know Luis Villegas haven't played for almost 2 years. We had practically zero bigs. So the only way we can win the game is really to just keep playing fast, which is what we always do anyway. So nag-rely lang kami doon sa speed namin. And we had to use our fake bigs. Sina Gabe, we had to use Santi as a big. We had to use Mike Malonzo as a big. We had to use Mark Borboran as a big. Kulang talaga eh. Pero things worked out. And again, we're just trying to buy time for our bigs to heal. Maybe we can have some of them back the next game.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Gabe, we saw renewed energy coming from you. As Coach Yeng mentioned, you had to transition to playing big today. Just how are you utilizing Rain or Shine playing small ball to kind of reinvent or upgrade your game even more?
Yeah, I think it's just, like Coach said, it was the situation. Every game is different, and we knew coming into this one, the last couple of days, that most of our bigs were going to be unavailable. So it was a mindset for probably, 3 or 4 practices already that this was going to be the scenario. So we were prepared. We feel like we're in really good shape right now, third conference. Everybody's who's healthy is feeling good. And we just want to try to keep the game as fast as possible to our advantage.